Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best 4K dashcam front and rear in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best 4K dashcam front and rear in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The AFR 4K dashcam front and rear is designed to give drivers complete peace of mind on the road. Equipped with ultra-clear 4K front recording and high-definition rear capture, this dual dash camera ensures every detail is recorded with exceptional clarity, whether you're driving during the day or at night. The wide-angle lenses provide broader coverage, helping eliminate blind spots and capturing more of the road around you. With built-in 5G Wi-Fi, you can instantly connect the dash cam to your smartphone and easily view, download, or share footage through the companion app. The integrated GPS automatically records your driving route, speed, and location, giving you accurate data that can be useful for travel logs or insurance claims. The dash cam features a 3.59-inch IPS screen that delivers clear and vibrant visuals for easy playback and menu navigation. For added security, the G sensor automatically detects sudden impacts or collisions and locks the recorded footage, preventing it from being overwritten. The package also includes a 64 gigabytes memory card, so you can start recording immediately without purchasing additional storage. Reliable, smart, and easy to use, the AFR dashcam is an essential upgrade for modern drivers. Number 2. Upgrade your driving experience with the advanced dashcam front and rear, designed to deliver reliable protection and crystal clear recording on every journey. Featuring 2.5K front resolution and 1080p rear recording, this dual dash camera captures sharp, detailed footage of the road ahead and behind your vehicle. Whether you're commuting daily or taking long road trips, every moment is recorded with exceptional clarity. The compact 2-inch display offers a convenient view of recordings and settings without taking up much space on your windshield. Its mini and discreet design blends perfectly into any car interior while still providing powerful performance. Equipped with Smart G sensor, the dash cam automatically detects sudden impacts or collisions and instantly locks the recorded footage to prevent it from being overwritten. The loop recording feature ensures continuous recording by automatically replacing old files when the memory card becomes full. Drive confidently even at night thanks to enhanced night vision technology, which improves visibility in low-light conditions. Plus, the 24-hour parking mode monitors your vehicle while parked, providing extra security against theft or damage. Reliable, compact, and packed with smart features, this dash cam is the perfect companion for safer driving. Number 3. The TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear is designed to deliver exceptional clarity and reliable protection for every journey. Equipped with dual 4K cameras, it records ultra-high-definition footage from both the front and rear of your vehicle, capturing critical details such as license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic. Whether driving during the day or at night, the advanced image sensor ensures clear and balanced recordings. This dash cam comes with a free 128 gigabytes memory card, allowing you to start recording right out of the box without needing additional storage. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables faster and more stable connections with your smartphone, making it easy to preview, download, and share videos through the companion app. With a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, the camera covers a broader view of the road, reducing blind spots and improving overall safety. The integrated GPS tracks your driving route, speed, and location, providing useful evidence if needed. Additionally, the G sensor automatically detects sudden impacts or collisions and locks the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. Featuring a clear 3-inch IPS display, the TERUNSOUl dashcam offers an intuitive interface and dependable performance, making it a smart choice for drivers who value safety, convenience, and high-quality recording. Number 4. The VIRROW dashcam front and rear is a powerful dual-channel dashboard camera designed to enhance your driving safety and capture every important moment on the road. Featuring ultra-clear 4K front recording and 2.5K rear recording, this advanced dash camera delivers sharp, detailed footage that makes it easy to read license plates and capture road conditions with precision. Equipped with a responsive 3.39-inch touchscreen, the VIRROW Dashcam provides a smooth and intuitive user experience. You can easily view recordings, adjust settings, and navigate the system with just a simple touch. The built-in Wi-Fi and dedicated mobile app allow you to connect your smartphone for quick video playback, downloading, and sharing without removing the memory card. This dash camera also includes a reliable parking mode that monitors your vehicle even when the engine is off, providing extra protection against unexpected incidents. Its advanced night vision technology ensures clear recordings in low-light environments, making nighttime driving safer. With loop recording support and a 64 GB memory card included, the VIRROW Dashcam automatically overwrites old footage to ensure continuous recording without interruption. Number 5. The BOTSLAB 4K Dashcam front and rear is designed to deliver reliable protection and crystal clear video for every drive. Equipped with powerful IMX415 sensor, this Dashcam captures stunning 4K Ultra HD footage, ensuring that every detail on the road is recorded with exceptional clarity. The 170 degrees ultra-wide viewing angle covers more of the road, reducing blind spots and providing a complete view of your surroundings. This Dashcam also features front and rear cameras, allowing you to record both directions simultaneously for enhanced safety and evidence in case of an accident. With a 24/7 parking monitor and hardwired kit, your vehicle remains protected even when parked, automatically recording any motion or impact. Advanced technologies like night vision and WDR, wide dynamic range, improve video quality in low-light and high-contrast environments, making nighttime recordings clearer and more detailed. The built-in ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, provides smart alerts to help drivers stay aware and avoid potential hazards. Additionally, loop recording ensures continuous recording by automatically overwriting the oldest footage when storage is full. The BOTSLAB Dashcam is a smart choice for drivers who value security, clarity, and peace of mind on every journey.